In this video, I'll tell you how you can completely disable or even uninstall Xbox Game Bar from Windows. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. First, open the Start menu and search for PowerShell. When Windows PowerShell appears, run it as administrator. This part is important because without administrator permission, the removal may not work. Now paste the command that removes Xbox Gaming Overlay, just like shown on the screen, and press Enter. After running the command, wait until the process finishes. It can take a few minutes depending on your PC or laptop specs, so do not close PowerShell too early. When everything is done, Xbox Game Bar should no longer be installed on your computer. You can test it by pressing Windows+G if the removal worked. That shortcut should no longer open Xbox Game Bar. That's the whole process. If you never use Game Bar and you want fewer background features on Windows, removing Xbox Gaming Overlay is a clean way to stop it from popping up while gaming or recording. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.